Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best fishing kayaks that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Vibe Sea Ghost 110. Vibe Sea Ghost is fast becoming a favorite among kayak fishing enthusiasts. It's relatively new to the market when compared with other well-established players, but this unassuming brand is making a big splash. The Sea Ghost 110 is a single-seater sit-on fishing kayak which carefully balances space and stability with speed and handling. It's designed to offer increased comfort for long days of fishing, and even features a dual-position seat with exceptional support. Like most of the best fishing kayaks, the Sea Ghost has a tow-controlled rudder that keeps you on track and stops you from wasting energy steering with your paddle. It's ideal for windy conditions and strong currents. Other great features include endless storage options, including 2 hatches and a bungee rear tank, flush-mounted rod holders, and integrated gear tracks. Moving on at number 4, we have the Hobie Mirage Pro Angler 12. The Hobie Mirage Pro Angler 12 is arguably one of the most popular fishing kayaks among angling enthusiasts. It's capable, spacious, practical, and easy to steer, making it a great choice for beginners and experienced kayakers alike. This 12-foot kayak comes equipped with pedals which can be used for forward and reverse momentum, leaving your hands free for rod control and effortless steering. One very cool feature of the Hobie Mirage Pro Angler 12 is the fact that it features kick-up fins which retract when they make contact with an underwater obstacle. This prevents damage and opens up shallower waterways. Other top features include a spacious stowage area, EVA padded seating, integrated rod holders, and enough space to add some additional extras, such as a portable fish finder, storage for up to 4 rods, and other fishing aids. It can also be controlled with regular paddles included, if pedaling isn't your cup of tea. At number 3, we have the Sun Dolphin Aruba 10 sit-in kayak. At the budget end of the spectrum, we've got the Sun Dolphin Aruba 10. This economy-class sit-inside kayak is a great choice for those looking to get out on the water without spending a fortune. It's a tough and durable fishing kayak that's easy to maneuver, comfortable to sit in, with plenty of storage space, all for a respectable price. Constructed from a high-density polyethylene, this hard-shell kayak can carry a surprising amount of weight, and features more storage space than you'd think. While it's not strictly designed for fishing, a simple addition of a rod holder can easily transform this into a viable option. It already comes equipped with a comfortable seat with high back support, a stern hatch for tackle storage, a water bottle holder, and carrying handles for easy transportation. It even comes with a limited lifetime warranty. If you're in need of a budget price sit-in kayak, then this is a worthy choice. At number 2, we have the Lifetime Tamarack Angler 100 fishing kayak. Next up, we have another budget option. This is the Tamarack Angler 100, a small and compact fishing kayak that's simple, sturdy, and surprisingly spacious too. It's a single-seater kayak with enough interesting features to make your next fishing trip a pleasure, but without a frighteningly high price tag. This little kayak is made from a high-density polyethylene material with a UV protective coating. It has a flat bottom hull, with formed areas for practical storage and multiple seating positions. The footrests are adjustable, and the seat has ample padding. There are a number of storage compartments, as well as front and rear shock cord straps to help keep things tied down. And finally at number 1, we have the Hobie Mirage Compass Duo. The best tandem fishing kayak on the market has to be the Hobie Mirage Compass Duo. If you're in the market for a sleek, strong, and stable fishing kayak built for 2, then this is the best one around. It's a sit-on, open cockpit model that beginners and experienced kayakers can both enjoy. With a hard shell made from rotomolded polyethylene, this tough sit-on kayak can handle anything that the water throws at it. It's powered by two Mirage Drive GT pedal systems that allow for ergonomic and comfortable forward propulsion, leaving your hands free for precision casting and rod control. On deck, there's ample space for 2 adult passengers, along with below-deck storage and other practicalities. 4 molded rod holders come as standard, along with 2 sealed hatches, a tie-down bungee cargo area, H-track accessory mounts, cup holders, and paddle holders. Other nice additions include a kick-up rudder which retracts if it makes contact with any obstacles, ergonomic tie-down points, and plenty of deck space.
Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.